If we need to find sales year T, so we can select a table which have sales person and sales record, and there should be a city field and country region. This table is available in AdventureWorks DB. So I select city, country, region. Here country United States and its cities, United Kingdom and Ottawa, Calgary, its cities, and sales summation. Okay, this is a summation mark for sum of sales of city wise. So it's 10 million, 15 million, 20 million, up to 25 million is the upsell. So how can we make this graph? We can make it like I make a new sheet where I can have a graph here. Selecting the fields. So it's another graph, for example, city-wise and country-wise. Blue pillars are for countries and these color pillars for cities.